Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the 5 topics which is related to the refraction of light. The topics are refraction through a glass slab and prism, the refraction by spherical lenses, rules for obtaining images formed by convex and concave lenses. First one, refraction through a rectangular glass slab. Before entering the topic, we discuss the light is traveling from rarer to denser medium. What happened? So light travel from rarer to denser medium. This is the boundary of the two medium. So light is traveling this way. After it enter into the denser medium, it is refracted. Here the speed of light is decreased because the speed of a light in refractions is lesser than the speed of a light in rarer medium. The light is changing the directions. Here light bends towards the normal. So how bends towards the normal? Already discussed in the previous classes. So finally the angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. Here the angle of incidence here. This is the angle of refractions. Here I is greater than the R. The angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refractions. And the next case, the light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. So this is the denser medium, this is the rarer medium. So light is traveling from denser to rarer. So what happened? So this is the angle of incidence. I is normal. So the light is traveling from denser to rarer. So light is refracted. Here the speed of the refracted light is increased because so light is traveling from denser to rarer. The speed of a light also increased, and also the direction of a light also changed. Here the light bends away from the normal. So the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Now we discuss refraction through a rectangular glass slab. See here P, Q, R, S, just consider as a glass slab. So light traveling from rarer to denser. So above the glass slab we consider the rarer medium, and below the glass slab it is also considered the rarer medium. So light traveling from A to O. This is the incident ray. So this is the normal to the plane. This is the angle of incident. So angle between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incident. So after that the light is refracted because light is traveling into the denser medium. So this is a refracted ray. This is the angle of refractions. The angle between the normal and refracted ray is called angle of refractions. Here the direction of light also changed. So here light bends towards the normal. So after that, so light traveling from denser to rarer, what happens? Here the speed of a light is increased. Denser to rarer, the speed of the light is increased. So already discussed in the previous concept. So the speed of a light is increased from denser to rarer medium. So this is the emergence ray. What is the angle of emergence ray is the angle between the normal and the emergence ray is called angle of emergence. So this angle is the same. We already discussed in the mathematical concept. Let us consider if there is no glass slab, the light travel from A to O and then travel to the dotted lines and reached into the D. This is a direct line. The distance between the direction of original ray and emergence ray is called lateral displacement. And another one, so the direction of original ray and emergence ray are parallel to each other. This is a very important one. So the distance between the emergence ray and direction of original ray is called lateral displacement, and we discussed the same concept, that is the lateral displacement. The perpendicular distance between the original path of incident ray and the emergence ray coming out of the glass slab is called lateral displacement. This is a lateral shift. So parallel to each other, this line, direct line, and the emergence line also parallel to each other. The distance between these two rays is called lateral displacement. So next case, so light falling normally on the glass slab. So normally means 90 degree. It's perpendicular to the plane. This is a perpendicular to the plane. This is a glass slab. So light travel from this way. So this is perpendicular to this plane. So what happens? So any refractions occurs or not here. So all part of the waves reach glass slab at the same time. This is the collection of rays, that means beam of light. So it reaches the glass slab at the same time and enter the glass slab at the same time. So it is refracted, that means travel to the rarer to denser medium, but the speed of light gets slowed down. So that means the speed of light is decreased, because already we discussed the speed of light in air medium and glass medium. Already we discussed. So the speed of light is denser medium is lesser than the speed of light in rarer medium. So after that, after refractor, the light travel from glass medium to air medium. What happens? So here the same situations occurs. The speed of light is increased because the light travel from denser to rarer. So the speed of light is increased, but there is no bending of light takes place. It means there is no change in directions. But here the change of speed of light also occurred, but there is no bending of light takes place.